Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Snapchat black screen issue. It's pretty much the same thing for the most part on any iPhone and on most Android devices. So if you appreciate me making this video, make sure you actually give it a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. So obviously you want to open up Snapchat. And if you're having the black screen issue, you want to check if your camera, just open your camera app, if you're having the black screen on your camera. If you do, it's your iPhone or your Android device that has the problem. You need to get that fixed. If not, what you can do is go on your settings, go over to Snapchat down below if you are on an iPhone. Here it is. You want to click on it and you want to make sure camera is green, not black or white or whatever, green. This is where you want to have it at to have your phone working. Then another thing you want to do is actually go over to the general tab above. Here it is. Click on iPhone storage, and from there you want to select Snapchat. When it loads, it's only going to take a few seconds, and if you can't find it, you can also search for it and click on offload tab, which is pretty much going to reset all the settings, which is a good thing. Another thing you can do is go on the App Store and search for an update. You want to make sure you type in Snapchat because maybe Snapchat are aware of the issue. If there's an update option, make sure you open it right now. If this video helped you out, you know what to do. Give me a like. I want to see you in the next one. Bye.